binigay kay Bogart Raimundo, rolling to the rim but no finish.
They've got numbers right here.
3-on-1 break. Forrester!
Oh, Forrester, great job. 3-on-1 situation. Forrester got the defensive stop.
And the former Arellano University chief.
Not just the stop. There you go. It's a turnover against Kia. The defense of Kia. And since then, it's just been a runaway freight train here for
Sorrento. Cervantes down the lane, sent away.
Unbelievable defense here on the interior.
Yo, with a hang time.
Yes.
The finish.
It's a breakaway right now. Slaughter. And then Andre Blatch playing the power forward or even the 3 position.
Huli pa rin si Rio Cervantes on the drive. Inside they go to Raimundo. Reverse layup denied. Ginebra on the run. Here's Air Force Ellis. A ball taken away by the dynamic L.A. Revilla, but sent away.
What if it's not Japet or Greg Slaughter? Eto si Billy Mamaril.
Saan ka pupunta, sabi ni Billy Mamaril. Second block of the game.
Those shot blocker, 2-3 zone defense a lot of the time in the first half, and those outside shots weren't falling. LA to LA, well, nagpakita double off Bircher.
Oh, Aguilar sends it away, and Emma takes it away. Basketball dito, and like I said, Ginebra has been absolutely beasting on the defensive end. Defensive stop mula kay Champet Aguilar, brought to you by Prestone Brake Fluid.